Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, gentlemen. I hope you are fine and doing well. This is me, Hafiz from Hafiz official YouTube channel. Once again with all of you people, and I extend a warm welcome to all of you to Hafiz official YouTube channel and our all English grammar course day 9. سلامونه قدرمنو لیدونکو په دې هیله چې راته روغ جوړ او صحتمند اوسئ. زه حافظ رحمت الله یو ستاسو په خدمت کې بیا حاضر یم. Dear learners, as you know that in the previous day 8 I taught you about the modal auxiliary verbs. I hope you have found it useful, but in today's day 9 I'm going to help you learn the present modal auxiliary verbs. That what are the present modal auxiliary verbs and what are they used for. خوشوز د کوم کوله کسن چې تاسو ته معلومه ده د پاتم موږ د کورس پاتم سبق کې ما تاسو ته د موډل اګزلري په اړه معلومات درکړي. امید لري چې تاسو په هغه سبق سرلاسه وي، هغه به مې زده کړی وي، سټډي کړی به مې وي، او په نننۍ سبق کې د تاسو کومک کول غواړم هغه چې د پریزل موډل اګزلري ورب په اړه تاسو ته معلومات درکول غواړم. I hope you will stay with me till the end of this video. Stay focused and let's begin. خوشوز د کوم 9 day of our English grammar course نمو ورځ مشتي د ټول مکمله English grammar course ده. خوشوز د کوم these are called the phrasal modal auxiliary verbs. دې ته ویل کېږي phrasal modal auxiliary verbs. زه به تاسو ته سر په خلاص یم د phrasal modal auxiliary verbs د څه دپاره استعمالیږي. Phrasal modal auxiliary verbs, dear learners. The first phrasal modal auxiliary verb is have to. We pronounce this word like have to, have to, have to, but it should be written like this: have to, have to. And what's have to used for? Have to phrasal modal auxiliary verb the sara par ismalish. Dear learners, have to is used for necessity. Have to the ضرورت پر اسمالیش. लेकिन मुझे तास फोर कोई मुझे ये काम करना है, माना दा कार कोल पका दी, मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है, अगर कार जिसका हो तो ज़रूरत ही तबल चार न जिन लरेज प्रेज दे अगर तो मुझे तास have to वाई लागा वार्ड पारा वो देता phrasal modal auxiliary verb कीजिए. जो काम हमें करना पड़ता है, जो काम हमें करना है, उसको हम इंग्लिश में phrasal modal auxiliary verb इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So have to कम कार जो मुश्तास न पकारी अगर दफार मुश्तासो कम कार जो मुश्तास न कवर पकारी अगर दफार मुश्तास दा phrasal modal auxiliary verb इस्तेमाल हो. Its pronunciation is like this: have to, have to, have to, have to. But this is exactly the same. So now let me make a sentence for you. It is a sentence. Now I made on have to phrasal modal auxiliary verb. That the jumla majoraka phrasal modal auxiliary verb have to majoraka. So what does it mean? What word did I use it? The sada parama isma ki dagwan. I have to finish this project today. मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट आज मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट ख़त्म करना है. कम का जमात पलासा को सऊदी अगमात नन ख़त्म कवल पकादी कसम माता दोस्तान छपना होगी जरा सा अपना नाज़िल गिलो जो आज गिलो जो तामना माता दाखा ختمول پکار دي نن نو دا غدا لپاره have to مړ استعمالو. کم کار مشتکول پکاري دا غدا لپاره مشتاسو have to استعمالو. So I have to finish this project today. मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट आज खत्म करना है. माता दा प्रोजेक्ट नन ختمول پکار دي सर मखलासी जे पका दी ختمول पका दी. So जो काम हमें करना पड़ता है, जो काम हमें करना है, उसके लिए हम ये have to phrasal modal auxiliary verb इस्तेमाल करते हैं. So let's talk about be able to. What's be able to use for? These words are together. These words have been togethered and this is ahab. Be is ahab of these verbs, helping verbs. Be the helping verbs you have the good bakshi. So here I have written just be. Be means the one of these helping verbs you have to use. One of these helping verbs you should use. Got it? Be means is, are, am, was, were, be, being. Got it? So, alright. Now you got it. Be. So, be able to. Be able to is the second phrasal modal auxiliary verb. What is be able to use for? It also shows the ability like can. So, जो काम हम कर सकते हैं, जो काम वो कर सकता है, जो काम मैं कर सकता हूँ, उसके लिए हम be able to phrasal modal auxiliary verb इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कम खा जज़ा कवाली समथा से कवाली सी अबले कवाली सी अगर अपारा मुश्तास be able to इस्तेमाल हो ये ता phrasal modal auxiliary verb कीजिए. खुशियों से कहूँ be able to is just like can. There is no difference that I can play cricket, or you can also say I'm able to play cricket. I can play cricket, I'm able to play cricket. There is not a difference. So, but anyway, you should get it. Exactly. Be able to ensures the ability, like can. So, let me make a sentence on be able to. I am able to speak 4 languages. It means I can speak 4 languages. So this is a sentence I made on this phrasal modal auxiliary verb. It means मैं 4 ज़बानें बोलने के काबिल हूँ, या मैं ऐसा भी इसका मतलब बता सकता हूँ कि मैं 4 ज़बानें बोल सकता हूँ. So there is not a difference if you use be able to or if you use can. Got it? Be able to shows ability. I am able to speak 4 languages. Got it? Alright. Now, be going to. What is be going to use for? Be going to is also a phrasal modal auxiliary verb. So we use this be going to for a future plan or intention. خوشو زكونكو be going to مشتاش دعوة فارس مالو كم تبى روان زمانة كي مثال future plan فارس مالو كم كارج مشتاسو plan كردي كم كارج مشتاس سوچ كردي جدا كار بمشكو كم سوچ مشتاس كردي جدا كار بزكون بداورس بكم بداورس بزدا كاركم يا كم نت إرادة مشتاس لور ديشي باركي لعادة فار مشتاسو be going to اسمالو. He means is rm was were be been. Got it? They are included in be. Be is a hub of these helping verbs. Got it? So be going to we use for future plan and intention or attention. Got it? Now let me make a sentence on be going to phrasal modal auxiliary verb. So this is a sentence. They are going to travel to Europe next month. Going to shows the future plan or intention. It means they have intended to go to Europe next month. So, Urdu meaning of this sentence. Urdu माना था जुमले का. वो अगले महीने यूरोप सफर करने जा रहे हैं, या वो अगले महीने यूरोप सफर करने जा रहे हैं. So it means they have intended, they have a future plan to go to Europe next month. Got it? So be going to use for a future plan or attention. Got it? Now let's talk about be supposed to. What is the phrasal modal auxiliary verb used for? Salaram phrasal modal auxiliary verb that is be supposed to. Dear learners, be supposed to is a very common phrasal modal auxiliary verb, and it is very easy. That be supposed to be the common phrasal modal auxiliary verb, and it is very easy. That asan be supposed to use is used for expectation. It is used for the expectations. One sentence I will make without writing. I will say the Japanese train is supposed to the fastest train in the world. The Japan come to train the real garden Arab dunya ki the tool sahatiz balal kiji. Be supposed to misal mushtas wais balal kiji balal come kadi balal kiji agada para mushtasu be supposed to ismalo. Got it? Like Chaman is supposed to the poorest city of Pakistan. مثال چمن شادری the Pakistan the غریب شارو څخه بلل کیږي. So be supposed to means بلل کیږي in pashto. In Urdu it means توقع. जिस चीज से किसी चीज की तवक्की की जाती है इसलिए हम be supposed to इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Got it? So be supposed to means expectation. So I will make a sentence for you and for your great understanding, and that is you are supposed to submit the report today. आज तुम्हें रिपोर्ट जमा करानी है ताकि रिपोर्ट जमा कवल बकार दी. It means supposed to साथ तवक्को कीजिए कि रिपोर्ट नन जमा कर. So supposed to mean किसी चीज़ से तवक्को रखना. So it means you are supposed to submit the report today. ताता पकार जिसता report नन सबो के जमा के. So we supposed to mean expectation तवक्के रखना. It means मुश्तास को पश्चिमी की वाई बलल कीजी या मुश्तास वाई युशिसा तवक्को कवल. Got it? And the fifth present model auxiliary verb is be allowed to. What means be allowed to? Be allowed to means permission. It is used for the permission. I will make a sentence for be allowed to, then you will be understood. The students are allowed to use the calculators in the exam. طلبة को इम्तिहान में calculator इस्तेमाल करने की इजाज़त है. It means तालिबानों ता पर इम्तिहान की the calculator इस्तेमाल वालों इजाज़त ता. So allowed to means they are allowed. Be the इजाज़त है. Be allowed to is used for इजाज़त, for permission. The permission of Ismail. Come charge the Yushi Ijaza Raga Paramount to be allowed to Ismail. For example, you are allowed to watch my YouTube videos. You are allowed to subscribe my YouTube channel. It means आपको मेरा channel subscribe करने की इजाज़त है. तास्ता हमारे YouTube my channel subscribe करो इजाज़त था. So it is used for the permission. Be allowed to means इजाज़त. And the sixth present model auxiliary verb is be about to. What is be about to used for? Be about to is used for it means imminent action. Imminent action. कम काजी बस फौरन शुरू कीजिए या फौरन खत्म कीजिए दागा पारा मुश्तासु be about to इस्तेमाल. I told you earlier that be is a hub of helping words. Is rm was word be being. Got it? Mada stawara moel be di yo hub di the helping word buna. Ji aga is rm pakshik di was verb pakshik di be being pakshik di. Got it? So alright. You probably think that be about to is just like going to. No, there's much difference between about to and going to. Going to is used for a future plan, but about to is used for imminent action. Come cardi tasu kele soch koi the about to going to jadi difference na sama ki. Je ज़्यादा fark ba ma bais makshi ki. About to jadi أغا كار جمشتاس فوران شروكو أغا كار يا جمشتاس فوران ختمو ناغا دفارا about to إسماليجي. Going to, I told you that it is used for a future plan. Going to بارك ما تستوين جدا future plan دفار إسماليجي. The intention دفار إسماليجي. Got it? Alright. About to means your imminent action. I will make a sentence, then you will get understand. The movie is about to start. It means फिल्म शुरू होने वाला है. वो जो काम शुरू होने वाला होता है उसके लिए हम about to इस्तेमाल करते हैं. कम काज फौरन शुरू कीजिए या शुरू कीजिए अगर para मुस्तासो about to इस्तेमाल हो. So the movie is about to start. फिल्म शुरू होने वाला है. And today's lecture is about to finish or about to end. The lecture today ختم दो वाला है. सन बकलासी जी ختم होने वाला है. And today's present model auxiliary verbs are about to end or about to finish. Present model auxiliary verb बना दनन सबक today आगा ختम दो वाला है. Got it? We have just one. What is used to use for? Used to is used for past habit. Used to the चीज़ ज़माने आदत दफार इस्तेमाली. For example, तदा फिक्र के that's why you must use school तकलम खोस नसम तदा used to इस्तेमाल वाली से तदा समूह वाली से मख्तिबा माँ प्लान कार कवी आल कारों में कवी वो से न कौन ताकत दफार used to इस्तेमाली से. For example, I used to play cricket but nowadays I don't. माँ cricket कवी मख्ती वो से न कौन. I used to do that, etc. ما آخر كوي لا بس نور جملة متصلة والزي. I'll make just a single sentence on used to. I used to watch movies. मैं फिल्म देखता था. It means once I was habitual of watching movies. But nowadays I have totally stopped. लेकिन नन सबा मामू कमल तौर पर प्रेषिली. I have stopped wasting time. Times are going to प्रेषिली. सर मखलासी जो कुछ उसने कहूँगो used to is used for a past habit. तो कम ज़माने की पतियर ज़माने की कम कार सादत हो लगा दफार used to इस्तेमाल वाली सी. Got it? So once again, I will just talk about these present model auxiliary verbs. What are they used for? And have to is used for necessity. Be able to is used for ability. Be going to is used for future plan or intention. Be supposed to is used for expectation. Be allowed to is used for permission. Be allowed to is used for imminent action. Used to is used for the past habit. It was our today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Hopefully, I made the best sense for you guys, my dear learners. I hope you found it useful. Finally, I recommend you to check out my YouTube channel. There you can actually find a lot of English resources on pronunciation, English vocabulary, and grammar. And you can also have the previous days of our current course. And you can also find the motivational short videos. And I would appreciate it if you like them and subscribe my YouTube channel. Give me a thumbs up if this video helped you learn the phrasal model auxiliary verbs a little bit better. See you in the next video. Take care. Assalamu alaikum.